This video describes how to use and manipulate the Radiators database. Again, database is in the middle. Selecting Radiators. We can then open up an existing database. Select the range of manufacturers that you want to use. And this then lists all of our radiators by type. We can then select the type of radiator and edit. In this case, the radiator, or this range of radiator, is only available in a height of 600 millimeters. You can then edit based on the construction type. It's a column radiator. You can then use the edit button to actually add in the outputs for each and every prescribed section from the manufacturers. Also note that the radiators are set up to BSE N442. A lot of the older databases are set up to 60-degree delta T, so you need to keep an eye on that. So when entering your data from your manufacturer's catalogue, they will quote BSE N442 with a delta T of 50 degrees. It's then up to you to add the correction factor to apply that, which the program will do. There are different types of radiator here, which affects the entry methods. I go for a panel radiator, for example, and edit that. We can see the panel radiator comes in various heights, and for each height you have a series of lengths available. So for the 300 high, it's available between 500 and 2000 millimeters. The 700, if you edit it, is available between 400 and 2000 millimeters. So when entering data from the manufacturer's catalogue, you have to be careful to make sure you get the right lengths. You can actually add another manufacturer's database into the existing database you're in. But first of all, we would need to save the database with a different file name. So I'll just close the listing here. File, save as. I then put the database in the Radiators subfolder, and I'll call it Amalgam. Amalgam is now the new live database. If I want to import, all I need to do now is File, Import Radiator database from another manufacturer. I then retrieve the database, selecting the appropriate installation directory. So in this case, the installation is under public documents, Cadline, MEPworx 2021, DB Radiators. You then select the manufacturer you want to import. Selecting from the range. That will then import the radiators. So when you then go to Edit, Radiators, you'll then see the ranges imported in here by manufacturer order, and you can sort them by manufacturer order. So all of those manufacturers were imported. So you can actually amalgamate if you wish to manage the database so you have every manufacturer in there, so you can pick any range of radiators from any manufacturer in one project, then you can do so. Generally, users tend to use one database per project and customize it as described. And again, we would file save and then exit the database program.